Yeah.
Say Asante Akadie.
Asante Akadie.
Very good. This is Otunfuo. Say Otunfuo.
Otunfuo.
Yes. Do you know Otunfuo? He's our king.
Oh.
Yes, the biggest king, the powerful king in Ghana.
Okay.
Yes,
I didn't know.
Ashanti.
Okay.
Yeah, come and stand here. I'm filming. Okay, so you all say Asante Akadie Nibia. Asante Akadie Nibia. Enche, na Germany Asante Fua capture her nyina. Monka. Are you from Germany?
No, we're from Belgium.
Belgium. Okay.
We also
Okay.
have a king. English.
You have a king?
Yes, yes.
Philip? Philip? Wow.
That's easier.
Okay, so this is Asante Akadie. This is Asante Captain.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
Captain.
Yeah.
And this is Asante Brooch.
Okay.
Good.
Pin.
Yes, and this is Asante Flag.
Yes.
And this is Asante Watch. And this is Asante Shoe.
And your underwear too?
Yeah. Okay, so thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I'm from Kumasi.
Yeah.
Yeah, the Kumasi Evangel Choir.
Yeah.
Yeah, so today we're gonna sing for you guys to
Yeah.
enjoy yourself.
You
Wow, that's nice. Nice meeting you.
Yeah.
I'm Richard.
I'm Richie.
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 Yes.
Peter.
Liva.
Liva.
Liva. Yes.
Marek. Zaida. Steph. Hi. Bernick. Maurice. Dick. Okay, so thank you very much.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Back to you too.
Same. Bye.